Potatoes are incredibly versatile and can be used to create a wide variety of delicious dishes. Here are 14 amazing potato recipes that include French fries, potato chips, potato snacks, and potato sticks. French fries. 1. Classic French fries. 1. Cut potatoes into thin strips, soak in cold water, pat dry, and deep fry until golden and crispy. 1. Season with salt. 1. Garlic Parmesan fries. 1. Toss freshly cooked fries with minced garlic, grated Parmesan cheese, chopped parsley, and a drizzle of olive oil. 1. Loaded fries. 1. Top your fries with melted cheddar cheese, crispy bacon bits, sour cream, and chopped green onions. Potato chips. 4. Homemade potato chips. 1. Slice potatoes thinly using a mandolin, deep fry until crispy, and season with your choice of spices like paprika, cayenne pepper, or barbecue seasoning. 1. Sweet potato chips. 1. Replace regular potatoes with sweet potatoes for a healthier twist on chips. 1. Season with cinnamon and a touch of brown sugar. 1. Baked potato chips. 1. Thinly sliced potatoes, toss with olive oil and your favorite seasoning, then bake in the oven until crisp. Potato snacks. 7. Potato skins. 1. Scoop out the centers of baked potato halves, brush with melted butter, sprinkle with salt, and bake until crispy. 1. Fill with toppings like cheese, bacon, and sour cream. 1. Potato croquettes. 1. Mix mashed potatoes with chopped herbs, grated cheese, and breadcrumbs. 1. Shape into croquettes, coat with breadcrumbs, and deep fry until golden. 1. Stuffed potato balls. 1. Create a mixture of mashed potatoes, cooked ground meat, vegetables, and spices. 1. Roll into balls, coat with breadcrumbs, and fry until crispy. Potato sticks. 10. Potato stick fritters. Shred potatoes and mix with finely chopped onions, green chilies, and spices. Shape into small sticks, dip in a batter, and deep fry until golden. 1. Spicy potato sticks. 1. Toss potato sticks with a mixture of chili powder, cumin, paprika, and salt. 1. Roast in the oven until crispy. 1. Curly potato sticks. 1. Use a spiralizer to create curly potato sticks. 1. Deep fry or bake until crunchy, and season with your favorite spices. Unique potato snacks. 13. Potato nachos. Replace tortilla chips with thinly sliced and baked potato rounds. Top with cheese, jalapenos, salsa, and guacamole. 1. Potato tacos. 1. Create taco shells by shaping grated and seasoned potatoes into circles and baking until crispy. 1. Fill with your favorite taco ingredients. Remember to adjust seasonings, cooking times, and techniques to suit your preferences and dietary needs. Enjoy trying out these creative and delicious potato recipes.